Hey, shit, Jazzy, what up?
Sure you don't get no point sitting right there, right?
That's what everybody say, man. I never met a nigga that said that cause that me get points sitting where I'm sitting.
I got this front to the side. Put it up to the front.
Go ahead, do your thing.
Put it up to the side.
Nigga, it's out here. Out here.
After you get money, though, why I can't get a little piece of yours? I'm gonna get a little piece of you. I'm in Detroit. Yeah, I heard your accent.
What?
I heard in your accent. I can tell where you from by your accent.
Okay.
Hey, ain't that shit, nigga?
I thought I talked to you.
I mean, it's normal to you, but where I'm from, you know, you sound different. You got an accent.